Welcome to the Tantra Therapy School, a sanctuary where the sacred art of Tantra transforms lives. Here we delve into the profound mystery of life force energy as a pathway to creativity, self-realization, and unlocking one's full potential. This school is more than a learning space, it's a journey into the depths of your being. Here you learn to channel sexual energy in ways that enrich your life, enhance your relationships, and deepen connections with your partner and community. Instead of dissipating this powerful energy, we teach you to harness it from a place of wholeness, creating more profound and meaningful sexual experiences. The Tantra Therapy School offers wisdom that's essential for progressing from where you are to where you can be. Join us in this transformative process and ascend to the highest realms of body, mind, and spirit. Embrace the journey of awakening your emotional, spiritual, and sexual selves, and together, let's raise the frequency of the whole world through love, respect, and unity.